Allison, you ready to go skydiving?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, here we go. Much quicker? No? Alright, well pull the right one to your right hip. You like that? Yeah. Alright, put on the left Allison, what'd you think about that?
Awesome.
So you came out to Chattanooga Skydiving Company, did your first skydive?
First skydive.
You think it was your last skydive?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe.
All right, well give me a high five, girl. I want to say congratulations.
Thank you.
Woo! Yeah.